Oh, I had the best time. I love it here. I love it here. This place is full of good vibes.
What is happening, peoples? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday, November the 11th. Decided to turn the camera on today. Got a cool guest coming down, right? She's been on the channel before, probably about 4 or 5 years ago. You used to train her back in the day. She's got some sick skipping skills, right? So we're gonna make sure we get that on camera a bit later. But she's got a new brand launching and she went to come down and discuss some ideas that she had. I'm gonna try and see if I can help her kind of get it off the ground a little bit more as well. She's been doing some big things with it. Some other cool updates as well. Your boy's finally cut his hair, man. If you haven't noticed already, got the man bun's gone, right? I cut like half of it. It still looks kind of long, but I'm going for this kind of slip back vibe. I used to have this hairstyle a long time ago, but let me know if you guys like it. I'm kind of feeling it. My head feels a bit lighter. I was getting kind of bored of the whole, yeah, it was just getting a bit too out of control, to be honest with you. But anyway, I'm gonna take you along for the ride. As always, sit back, relax. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a little thumbs up, and yeah, man, drop a little comment as well. Let me know where you're watching from. And as always, thank you so much for the love. There's loads to do around here. We've got Black Friday coming up very soon in about 2 weeks. We're also on a trip to Portugal. So this Friday coming, I'm gonna be in Portugal for about a week. We've been invited by a cool couple, actually, big up H and Sarah if they're watching this. Been invited by a cool couple who have got a deal with an agency to go play golf in like 7 or 8 different resorts around Portugal. And as you know, I've got a big love for golf as well at the moment. So they've invited us, it's all expenses paid. It's an unbelievable trip. And yeah, we're gonna make sure we get some content out there. I'm gonna be taking my ropes, of course, get my training done, and I'm hoping to get some tutorials done out in Portugal as well. So I really need to sort out a lot of this shit. That is the main goal before Black Friday. We wanna get all the stuff back on the shelves, restock properly. We had a capacity issue in the HQ for like literally the whole year, so we didn't have enough space for everything to go. But now a few more shelves have cleared up. A lot more stock needs to go on the shelves. Otherwise, it's just good to see so many people supporting, as always, from like so many different countries, man. Like it's our 8th year doing this, right? And I never get bored of saying this, but it's just phenomenal to see the kind of countries that show up, show love, cop our gear, cop our merch from like everywhere, every single corner of the earth. Like if you're watching this right now, I'm gonna set the Black Friday code live just for you, okay? I'm not putting this out anywhere else, okay? Only to you guys, to my loyal followers here on YouTube, right? So if you go ahead, use this code right now on the screen, you're gonna get a massive % off of everything, okay? So if I see this code being used, I know it's coming from someone who's watched this vlog. So go online right now, use this code, and make sure you get yourself a sick bargain. Okay, all right, just a quick one as well, right? These have been out of stock for a long time on the website, all right? We're still waiting on new stock. However, I have found a limited set of pieces of these, okay? So I know so many people are after them. The Ignite rope, of course. If you are, guys, if you really want this, all right, and you want this ASAP, email, right? I'm gonna drop the email right now. Email us and let us know you're interested in this, all right? Just say, Rush, I want these, want the Ignite rope, and my team will get in touch and make sure that you guys can get them first. It's first come, first serve. Only a few left. Don't miss out. This is basically the Lamborghini of skipping ropes, man. The detail and the craftsmanship involved in this handle is just insane. So you guys get 3 sets of ropes, 3 different weights, all clip-on features. You get this amazing case as well where you can hold everything inside. And yeah, like I said, the quality, mad premium. Sick. All right, so it has been a long time, guys, since we've had these kind of heart-to-hearts, these kind of one-to-one segments. And I used to do so many of them, like back in the day when I used to kind of crank out the vlogs. And I've changed, like loads of things have changed around me, my personality, my personal life. And as some of you may know, I got married in July, and I shared a little clip on like a video, like an undercover little video. But I wanted to share that clip again for this vlog. And I did say on that video that I was gonna explain why it was kind of kept off camera, why it was kept out of social media. So before I get into that, I will share the clip. I will share the highlight of the wedding day again, because it just makes me feel happy, guys. It makes me feel happy that I'm able to share it. And I know why I'm sharing it now and why I didn't share it earlier. So we're gonna run that again in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy. I want to get this off my chest, peeps, and it's really for those who maybe not in the YouTube space or in the creator space. And you know, I feel like I'm still new to this game. It's really weird. I've been like in it for like 8 or 9 years. I'm a bit of an old school OG dinosaur when it comes to social media, but at the same time, I'm still learning about myself. And the early days, or the early day Rush, would have shared everything, would have vlogged the behind the scenes, would have told everyone about it on social media. And what I just found is like, over the last 4 or 5 years, like, although I feel like I had the most loyal, best followers, you guys, the most supportive, the best vibes, like, I also just realized that some things are just happier for me when I keep them to myself, like the private things. And I was able to get along and separate my job as it was as a creator and also my personal life. And I didn't want the two to blend. It started to just feel like a bit of a Truman Show, a bit of a Big Brother. Like I felt like I was sharing everything. And sometimes it just kind of, it doesn't ruin things, but it just also you just lose a little bit of perspective of just what is your reality, what is the real reality. And you know, I keep it real, I keep it 100% real on camera. And that just felt the right thing to do. And I just want to get that off my chest. You know, having relationships, keeping things for yourself off camera, it just makes the experience of just your own world a little bit more better. And I just want to say thank you again to you all, man, because the motivation that you provide me, the get up and oomph that you give me every single day to make sure that I don't let you guys down and that I can make this the best skipping brand ever. Like, it all just stems from the support that I have behind this camera. So I hope that kind of gives you kind of like an understanding and a perspective of what's kind of going on in my head. Anyway, I think Ines is here, so we'll open the door. Sorry if that was a long segment. Yo, 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 you're on YouTube. You want to say hello?
Hi there.
All right, they're going to see you properly now. I'm going to open the door. Yo!
Hello
nice
there.
And bright. So we've got Ines back on the channel, peeps.
Yeah, very excited.
Joy, if anyone doesn't know who this girl is, can I call you girl? Do you want to be lady? We've got Ines on the channel, and the last time you were on was 2019. Do you know what? I'm going to put a little clip next to your face here. This is probably the last time we had Ines on the channel. I think it was in a park. You skipping?
Yeah, it was in Fulham.
Fulham, cool. All right, what are we doing today? Quickly just explain.
I need you to clean up a few things.
I got you.
There's some tricks that I'm having a lot of fun with, but I feel they're still a bit messy and I need your help. And, oh, you've got a couple of bags left.
I told her.
Good girl.
I basically,
because yeah.
I told her to save me some, so. Okay, so we go. This is Ines's new product launching very soon. The
perfect thing to have on the go. Little bag like this, it has over 9 grams of protein. Turmeric, cumin, cinnamon, things that are so good for you that people take supplements of them. So you have the power of the actual nut and the power of all the spices that go on the nut. The process takes us 30 hours to make, hydrated and roasted, and it's a long process that mimics what nuts do in nature, full of goodness and health benefits.
That was sick.
So the brand is called Su because Su means fire in Basque, right? I'm Spanish, I was born in the north. The reason for the triangle is because the triangle is the symbol for fire in alchemy. I love doubles. You feel so good, they look so cool. And my crosses, I think, are a bit messy. And
we'll fix it now.
Yeah, I need help. What I remember is you would tell me do this, and then I would go and do it, and then I would get better. And then you just need time, and time is my thing now.
Now you're busy. You're building brands. 2 kids, hubby.
One is going for professional dancer.
Yeah. Say hello to the kids. I'll put it on the video.
Hey, Max and Gigi. Yeah, I need to bring you here with me next time.
Be double under cross. Yeah? And then you like that one. You like that one?
Yeah, that one. Both of them.
Yeah?
No, Rusty, wait.
Yeah. Nice.
I need to do it twice.
Yeah, let's do it twice.
Can I do one more?
Yeah, do one more, yeah.
Because otherwise my brain doesn't pick it up, doesn't store it.
She's a soldier, guys. This is proper training. It's so fun you're here again.
Thank you.
It's fun that we're standing here. When, you know, back in the day, we used to be in a park in Fulham, and that's how we used to train, right? We'll have a little coffee afterwards. Now we actually have a space where we can be warm.
Oh, I had the best time. I love it here. I love it here. This place is full of good vibes.
Good vibes always.
Love it.
Where's this going?
This one's going to Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Martin Stickler.
Shout out mine. Daily shout out for orders, man. Alice, big up if you're watching. She's copped the Icon Special Edition, the Money Rack Special Edition, and Legacy Special Edition. This is a banging order. Alice, shout out to you. Snowball effect and what's happened and how this has all come about because of just people wanting to support like your small idea and your small business. Words can't describe it, man. And I don't get bored of ever saying it. It's just crazy. It's just crazy when you just put your mind to something and just realize, you know, you don't need an end goal. Like, people give up because their end goal is too big, it's too far away. Sometimes you just need to start and just really understand that you're gonna enjoy just the process and the journey, like, more than whatever your goal really is, because the grind is what makes this all worthwhile. It's all a bit philosophical, but it really does make sense in my head. So just finished up a little clip for Instagram. I'm using Final Cut Pro. You guys would have seen this already. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you this clip right now. So this is like some old clips of Ines and I when we used to train about 5 years ago. And we just did like a little transition on that, where it kind of cuts to what we just done now. Kind of sick. Yeah, so this took me about 40 minutes, but I'm gonna whack this up right now on Instagram. Alright folks, it is now 7 o'clock. I'm ready to edit up this video. Workout was super nice. It was just a quick one today, but if you guys want to see more of my training sessions and what I get up to in the gym, then let me know and I'll try and mix it up, give you guys a kind of idea of how I train. To all my international family out there as well, we have got free international shipping on all orders over £100, right? So make use of that. Do not miss out on this deal, people, man. Use this code, please. Jump online on my website. Only you have access to this code right now, okay? Enjoyed having you guys around for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this type of video. I'm gonna be getting more fire tutorials out as well this week. Thank you so much for sticking around and enjoying this day with me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.